Bismillah ar-Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I know I've got too late for posting my daily analysis, but believe me, it requires some time to observe the market and pick some pattern or something to share. So I was not getting the clear picture, but sometimes we have to move through other time frames to look for any other possible options. Well, yesterday was tricky, but an experience to share. The break even is one of the conservative but beneficial aspect of safe trading. My both entries of buy at 17 and sell at 19 hit the BE, and the equity was saved. Alhamdulillah. When market is choppy and keeps on backfiring, BE technique is the best strategy to adopt. Today, medium risk sell is at 1927.29 between 78.6 and 100% level, and medium risk buy only on return from 1915 0% level. There is also a high risk buy at 61.8% 1923, but I will not pick any entry in the middle of any SNR. Only extreme top and bottom should be observed for trading today. Do not forget that today is Friday, the game changer day we call it. No entry is also an entry. It is not mandatory to enter into market on daily basis. This is a random chart pattern picked from H4 time frame that I have observed the market and just roam around in different time frames and found this thing. It could be beneficial, but waiting and observation is required. Only pick the entry on confirmed rejection or on confirmed break. So take care and trade safe.